In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to control your computer from your Android phone. 1. If you haven't already, download and install Google Chrome browser from the Play Store on your Android device. Next, open Google Chrome browser on your computer. Search for Google Remote Desktop and go to the website remotedesktop.google.com. Click on Access My Computer and follow the prompts to download the Chrome Remote Desktop extension. Click Add to Chrome and then Add extension to install it. After that, click on the puzzle icon in the top right corner of the Chrome. Click on Chrome Remote Desktop to open the extension. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the app on your computer. Enter a name for your computer. When prompted, this will help you to identify it later. And set a PIN for remote access. Make sure it's secure but easy for you to remember. Next, open the Play Store on your Android device and search for Chrome Remote Desktop. Install the app and open it. Sign in with the same Google account you used on your computer. In the Remote Devices section, you should see your computer listed. Tap on it to connect. You should enter the PIN that you have set up earlier on your computer. Once connected, you'll see your computer screen on your Android device. Use your finger to control the mouse cursor and navigate through your computer. You can minimize or maximize windows, open applications, and perform various tasks remotely. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.